Hello everyone. Today I am bringing you with a new problem from quadratic equation, especially very important for Karnataka state students. That is completing the square method. This method is not there actually for CBSE students, but it is very important for Karnataka state students. Also, this method applies to CBSE students also because this method is very useful once you go to PUC second. Okay, in class 12 this method is very important while solving the integration problems. Therefore, knowing this method for CBSE students is also important, and for state students also is important. Now this question is asked as an optional question in recent prelims exam, but this might come as a compulsory question also, who knows. That's why knowing this method is very important, even though this method is lengthy, but actually it is very easy. Okay, let us solve a quadratic equation by using this method. Let us take an example here. I'll take example of x square plus 10x minus 875. Okay, a square plus 10x minus 875 is equal to 0. Now here a is equal to 1, here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 10, and c is equal to minus 875, right? Okay, c is equal to minus 875. Now the first step is send this c term to that side, to RHS. First step, bring c term to RHS, right? Okay, now x square plus 10x is equal to 875, right? Minus 875 becomes plus 875. The next step is divide whole equation by a. Now since here a is 1, therefore dividing by entire equation by 1 gives same result here. 10x minus is equal to 875. Divide entire equation by a here. Since a is equal to 1 here, therefore it doesn't change any equation. It doesn't change the value of equations here. Therefore the equation remains same. Second step is divide whole equation by a. Third step is, hope you understood here. First step is bring c term to RHS. Second step is divide entire equation by a. Now since a is equal to 1 here, the equation remains same. Add, the third step is add b by 2a whole square both sides. Add b by 2a whole square both sides. Here b is 10, and 2a is 2 into 1 whole square, right? Therefore 10 by 2 is 5 square. Therefore we add 5 square both sides. X square plus 10x plus 5 square is equal to 875 plus 5 square. Now if you notice this, x square plus 5x, 10x plus 5 square. Now observe this very carefully. This equation is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square, right? If you observe here a is x and b is 5. Therefore this equation becomes x plus 5 whole square. Here 10ab is 2 into 5 into x, okay? Therefore I can write this equation as x plus 2 into x into 5, that is 2 into x into 5 is 10x plus 5 square is equal to 875 plus 25. Now it will become x plus 5 whole square. If there is a minus sign here, it will become x minus 5 whole square is equal to 875 plus 25 is 900, right? Now x plus 5 whole square is equal to 30 square. Now if you can see, I completed the square. That's why this method is called completing the square method. You can see here, I completed the square here. X plus 5 whole square is equal to 30 square. Therefore on both sides I have completed the square. The next step is very simple here. Take square root both sides. Take square root both sides. I'll get what here, x plus 5 is equal to plus or minus root of 30 square. Remember, since it's a quadratic equation, we need to have two solutions here, maximum two solution. Okay, therefore that's why I write plus or minus here. If I don't write plus or minus here, you'll get only one solution, right? Okay, now x plus 5 is equal to plus or minus 30. If I take square root here, it will become 30 here. Okay, now the two solutions are there here. First solution is x plus 5 is equal to plus 30. Okay. The second solution is x plus 5 is equal to minus 30. We take plus 30 once and minus 30 once here. Now x is equal to 30 minus 5, x is equal to 25, right? X is equal to minus 30 minus 5, x is equal to minus 35. Okay, a very simple problem, but slightly lengthier than the factorized method and Sridharacharya method. Many students ignore this, but actually it's a very easy method. Hope all the students understood here. Okay, and we try to solve another problem here, right? We try to solve another problem here. Let us verify the method here. Okay, we try to solve another problem here and try to understand again. Okay, yes. Okay, I go side by side here. We try to solve another problem here. Okay, hope students will get clear picture. Let us take another example here. X square plus 40x minus 1200, right? Let us take another example here. Okay, and here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 40. See, right, it's the equation, therefore I write it is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 40 and c is equal to minus 1200, right? The first step is what here? The first step, you can see the first step is bring the c term to RHS. Therefore, x square plus 40x is equal to 1200. Bring the c term to RHS, right? First step. The second step is add b by 2a whole square both sides. Now b by 2a is, the second step is add b by 2a whole square both sides. 40 by 2 into 1 whole square is equal to 20 square. Therefore, I add b by 2a whole square both sides. X square plus 40x plus 20 square is equal to 1200 plus 20 square, right? I added both sides b by 2a whole square, right? Now we just we complete the square here. So since a is equal to 1 here, dividing entire term by a won't change any values here. Therefore, I ignore the step here. In the exam, if question comes as 2x square here, then I have to divide by 2x square, right? Okay. If there is a is 2 here, we have to divide entire equation by 2 here. Since a is equal to 1 here, I ignore that step. Okay. You can refer the previous example for that. Okay. Now, again this equation becomes what here? X plus 20 whole square, right? A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to 1200 plus 400. 20 square is 400 here. Therefore, it is 600, right? Therefore, this will become x plus 20 whole square is equal to 1600 is 40 square, right? Therefore, again you can see I completed the square. Again you can see I have completed the square here. Therefore, now next step is take square root both sides. X plus 20 is equal to plus or minus as usual root of 40 square. Okay. Now x plus 20 is equal to plus or minus 40, right? The square root will cancel out the 2 here, exponent 2 here. Now again two solutions here. First solution, x plus 20 is equal to plus 40. Second solution is x plus 20 is equal to minus 40, right? Now x is equal to plus 40 minus 20, x is equal to 20, okay, and x is equal to minus 40 minus 20, x is equal to minus 60. Yes, these are two solutions here. Even though this problem, this method looks complicated, but it is actually very easy method provided you know how to solve it. Always remember here, the first step is bring the c term to RHS. The second step is divide entire term by a here. Since a is equal to 1 here, therefore the equation won't change. The next step is adding b by 2a whole square both sides. And a very important step is you have to complete this square here. You have to complete this square here. Whatever this number is here and this number is here, you will get the square. That is x plus 20 whole square. In the previous example, you can see here x square plus 5 square, that is x plus 5 whole square. If I expand x plus 20 whole square, you will get what here? X square plus 2 into x into 20 plus 20 square, right? Therefore x square plus 40x plus 20 square. Therefore I wrote here x square plus 40x plus 20 square as x plus 20 whole square. This step is very important here. Completing the square is very important step here. Okay. We'll solve more examples if students need it. Any doubts, you can comment on the comment section here and ask it. Okay. Hope this method was useful. This method you found easy, and you can mail me Tesla Academy Dharwad. Okay. And any doubts, you can always contact me in the comment section here and ask it. I will clarify it. Okay. Thank you everyone.